Want to start a YouTube channel without showing your face? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make faceless YouTube videos on your phone. Step by step, no expensive gear needed. Start with a simple script or outline. This keeps your video clear and avoids rambling. Write down your intro, main points, and outro. For faceless videos, you can use screen recordings, stock footage, or slides. On your phone, just swipe down and hit the screen record button. Don't want to use your real voice? No problem. You can record your own voice with your phone's recorder or use free AI voice generators like 11 Labs or CapCut's text-to-speech. Now, bring your clips and audio together. Use free editing apps like CapCut or InShot. Add text, transitions, and background music to keep viewers engaged. Finally, export your video in 1080p, upload to YouTube, and add a strong thumbnail and description. That's it. Your faceless video is ready. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more faceless YouTube tips. And check out my other videos to learn how to grow even faster.